We're at TopGun. Hey, babe. How are you? We're at the car show at TopGun here in Taylor, Michigan. There's my Challenger right there. Nice Mach 1. I'm inviting some people to the group here. All right, come on. Let's walk around, honey. Nice Mach 1 right there. Pretty blue. I'm gonna start off and down from this way down. Hold forward. Five point oh. There's my Challenger right there. I had no idea what kind of car this is, but it's a Chevy, but it's nice. Mach 1, 351. Oh, this is sweet. Old military Jeep.
Someone is coming. Hello, beautiful. To Nickel bro, love them.
Yeah, my friend Brandon. Hi, Brandon. How are you doing today? Con oscuro? That's good, bro. Me and Margaret, or you can call her Nona, we're doing pretty good, and Christopher's at home with Grandma and Grandpa. You've been running around the place here. I love to look at the old classic cars. Yeah, I love that Quiddo too. It's nice. I love the color of it too. I want to get that for my hood. You got a Ford Mustang Bullet right here, bro. It's a 2020. This is sweet looking, even though it's really old school, but I love it. Had like the 1970 diner look with the A&W that they used to do it back in the day. That is sweet. Little kid there, you know, little doll. That is sweet. Oh wow, I didn't notice that down there. That's sweet. Oh, wow. It's for sale? I have the money, I'll buy it. I'll just keep it the way it looks. That's sweet. Here's a Ford Mustang. It's for sale?
Yeah, 25,000.
125,000. That's not too bad. Has a Pro Charger, 4.6 V8. If anybody looking for a Mustang, there's a number right there. Like the Lamborghini doors, or you can call them butterfly doors too. Look at the interior. I liked how they did with the themes, the black and the yellow. Yeah, the yellow Mustang is really sweet looking. I'll definitely drive this one. And it's a Roush too. And Dodge Demon. got a backup for all
I
this.
don't believe the numbers anyways, because my mother-in-law works for a nursing home, and there was people dying in cancer here from COVID. 13.
So everything goes in for here and comes out to the side right there. Dodge Magnum. This is sweet. They need to bring it back, the Dodge Magnum. They need to bring it back, in my opinion. 2007. 6.1 V8 Hemi. Yep.
They won't show you that. It's just everybody's dying.
Chevy SS. It's cool. I haven't seen one like this before.
I have, but like 60 cars. Yeah, that was like 60 cars. Yeah, that's a lot. I mean, there was at least 60. But it's 12 with a box.
It's racing harness, seats, seat belts. Camaro, wish it could be like this, but anyway, here's a Camaro. Oh, this is the Transformer Edition one. Oh, sweet, this is the Bumblebee.
It's really dark in here too, so I really you can't watch your car.
Yeah, sweet, actually. Says it's actually the Transformer Edition one, SS.
Like this guy in the Camaro said, yeah, you don't have a cover on that? What if somebody throws a push or something? I said, I can't somebody saw. You know, they ain't gonna make it out of parking. Right. But there's somebody on full car. You know, something. I don't because you don't.
Dude, look at this engine, it looks so sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna put chrome stuff on my engine too. Gives me an idea for my what I could do to my Challenger. Oh, they shipped it down to make it real light. It has a notch bottle right there. That's pretty cool. Here's a Corvette. I mean, I like the Corvettes. Corvette Stingray. I like it. Actually, I kind of like the new one too, the C8. I want to say kudos to Chevy on this one. I like the tail light design when they did on the Chevy Corvette here. Walk down here, honey buns. White Mustang GT CS. I didn't know they made a CS or. That's nice. Love the classic cars. Look. 5.0 again. With a Pro Charger. Merrill Z01. That's our supercharger right there. This is what I like the best right here. I love this green. This has a lot of chrome. $1957. Old Corvette right here too. It's like all original. T-top, nice.
Well, the biggest thing for our engines is Ford turns. Once Ford uses anything, spread, turbo, bigger superchargers like
Green Dodge Challenger 392 shaker hood RT. I don't know where you get one of those things. Those are pretty cool. Hold your hood up like that. That's pretty cool. Here's Margaret, or no, right here. Favorite Charger. It's her favorite color, purple. It's a 392. Look at that. Yes, I love this plum crazy purple. It's sweet. Here's a Ford Model A. Older Jeep. I want to get that for Christopher. I love that Hummer. Hey, honey, what do you think of that Hummer? What do you think of that Hummer?
Nice, beautiful, sexy.
I like that.
American.
Yeah?
American size.
American size. Ah, funny. Yeah, that's definitely a man's vehicle right there. I want that. I want that Hummer. Oh, we got two Hellcats right here. Hellcat Charger. Dodge Challenger Hellcat. I like that bike right here. Like that. Corvette for sale. that 440? Nice.
Ours was 68, 440 top was 69.
Right.
This is a 318 satellite off the line and someone bought it.
Oh, wow.
40 in it.
Nice.
The satellite tapping trim, right around his bed is 68 around the wheel well.
Oh, wow. I did not know that.
I didn't either. I found out a couple weeks ago.
Awesome. Looks good. I love it.
I just got it in January.
Do you really? Wow.
My wife still says we don't need a rod runner. Yeah, we don't. I do.
Right? Mo power. Awesome. Love Mo. You're welcome, brother. Camaro SS right here. .5 Mustang. Old Ford. I like that.
It's here! It's really here! Better prices!
I can't believe it! Finally! More choice!
Michigan Auto
I
Reform
love
is here.
this car.
And that means
I
more
love this
choices
one.
for
I love the
personal
car.
injury
I love the car red of this.
With Allstate, you can lower your costs, not your standards. We'll help you navigate your needs, along with your budget. There's no better time to get a quote from Allstate. Click or call today.
Subject to terms, conditions, availability, and coverage selected. Allstate Fire and Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates with Booker, Illinois.
In a relationship, you share everything, from the last slice of pizza to oversized t-shirts. The lines of yours and mine can definitely get blurred. Luckily, Spotify Duo was designed specifically for couples just like you, with 2 separate accounts for 1 low price. So now you can keep your music separate and discover music together with the Duo Mix playlist. Your premium duo, the plan designed just for pairs like you.
GTO right here.
Hit the banner now to try your first month free. Imagine this. Your favorite true crime podcast is playing. The host is about to reveal the identity of the killer, but just as the big moment arrives, something else dies. Your cell service. With Spotify Premium, you'll
Like that
never
color
have to
green.
kill your fun again. With
Hey,
offline
Brandon,
listening
here's a
mode,
bike
you
for
can
you,
save
bro.
your fave
Look at that,
podcasts
it's
for
nice.
free streaming anywhere, anytime. And you can try Premium free for 1 month. Tap the banner to learn more.
Should be SS 350. That's sweet. Here's the Mach 1 right here. There's my crazy fiance. Love you, honey buns. Hold on. Hey, you can get in. So anyway, here's my Dodge Challenger. You can still see it's still the V6 3.5. But if you stay tuned to my YouTube channel, watch my YouTube channel, you can see we'll be switching this out pretty soon. Just wait to get things done being made. and I got some rockers coming in, and they're handcrafted, they're special made, high performance, and it takes time to get them done because, you know, the whole COVID-19, you know, was the coronavirus, so it takes time. So you can see my side flares. I love those. I think they look pretty good. What do you all think? You think they look good, all right? Do you think they look good on here or no? I like them. So Brandon, I want your opinion. Do you think the side flares look pretty good? Or no? You guys stick with them? I'll make sure I didn't make no mistake because they got cut and they drilled, so I mean, I like it. I think they look awesome. So I just want your opinion, brother. Too bad you don't live. Too bad you don't live close to me, because if you did live close to me, I know you live in Canada, but if you lived in like Toronto or something, that's just right by me. I live right by Toronto, Canada. Bro, if you ever come to Michigan, man, I'll show you around, man. Go to car shows like this and see some awesome bikes. Love to show you around, brother. This is a nice car here. That is sweet. Hey babe, your mom was calling my cell phone, so you need to call your mom. Love my devil girl. I'm gonna get the Hellcat hood, get black carbon fiber with that on there. Margaret here helped me clean the car. Maybe I can sound better with my mask off. So she helped me clean the car, vacuum it, wax it, and everything else. She is an amazing woman. Love you, babe. So yeah. So let me turn the camera around here. Yeah, I'll put everything back on here once I get the engine put in. I got it all for temporary, and for entering, this is what we have here. And there is another car show happening. I'm gonna and this is Margaret's handwriting. She's has really nice handwriting. Yeah, you got nice handwriting, honey. Your handwriting's better than mine. So, I gotta put this back in here. My Indonesian flag here. Got that when I went to Indonesia. Looks like some people took some of my cards here. Yeah, your mom called me. Hey, honey, I'm gonna walk right over there, okay? I'm gonna show you this nice, pretty cool green Honda. That is sweet. That is sweet. The Dodge Demon. I like that Jeep right there. Love the flag. God, I love my Dodge Challenger. I love the eyes on there. So Cody, what do you think of the eyes in the side flares right there? I'll be switching the engine out for a 5.7 V8 engine, and I got, you know, you go to my YouTube channel, you see it's all high performance, all like, you know, nothing original on it. And here's my woman right here. She's a butt, but I love her. So yeah, we'll be going pretty soon actually. But anyway, love you all. Thank you all for watching. Y'all take care. Come out to some of these car shows here in Michigan. I'll post more on Wicked Dodge Toys for everyone, and come and meet me. Come and talk to me. You know, talk to my wife here, soon to be wife, Margaret Melcy, or Nona Matola, if I call her. Either way, she's cuckoo, but I love her. But yeah, there's the guy in his. Oh, he almost lost control right there. All right, everyone, take care. Peace. Bye.